hunters, video game hunters. We are out and about today on a Thursday where I should be working, but they sent us home. Bad weather today. Can't do your job outside when it's raining, so we're gonna go hunt. We're hunting for Wii U games. It is hard to find some Wii U games.
Before, when we didn't have a Wii U.
Everywhere.
Everybody had Wii U games.
Now we got one.
No one has Wii U
Nowhere.
games.
So we stopped at this little thrift store, Daystar place here in town. It's only open on Thursdays and Fridays. Nada. So we're gonna go hit some other little thrift stores, maybe hit some pawn shops, and who knows? You know, see what we come up with by the end of the day. Well, not the end of the day, but we're going for a while. We are not going home until we have at least one Wii U game. Oh man, it could be a while. We probably have to go to Walmart and buy one.
I don't even think Walmart has them
crap.
anymore. Target didn't have them last night. I was looking.
Oh no, we're in trouble.
I know.
We gotta go check out the habitat. Oh, I got a reboard. Struck out at the habitat. We went to another little tiny local thrift store. Actually found a 7-Eleven 360 demo disc. Pretty cool. Sealed. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Serena found a cool pair of Nike Air Max for her walking friends, right?
Yes.
Yes.
But it's about to change. I haven't talked to you about that.
Oh no, it's changing again. All right. Well, we decided to do something different. We usually kind of stay around town or go south. Now we're gonna head north. Check out some stores around up there. It's been a little while since we've gone down that way, so we're still looking. Wii U game, people. Wii U. Wii U's right now.
Wii U.
was an unexpected little stop. It was right up by one of our flea markets we go to. He's basically it's like an appliance store, but he sells video games, and he was actually open during the week. And he kind of got me on some of the stuff I wasn't really expecting, you know, but like Marble Madness, it was in a $5 bin. I'm trying to look for this game on the regular NES. I can't find it, but that's a pretty cool game for $5. He got me on this one. I like Pac-Man games, and I grabbed this one only because I seen the thing. It said, "Oh, it's $4." And then I get up to the counter, and it's $14. Yeah, I like Pac-Man. Serena found this one. Grabbed by the Ghoulies. This looks good. You know, manual was kind of rough looking, but another guy. I kind of get, I don't want to say perturbed or upset, but when people are looking up right on eBay, like right in front of you, you know, because he doesn't know what he has, you know.
He doesn't know his prices.
He don't know his prices. Some of the stuff was priced. This wasn't priced, and you know, they had no, you know, bunch of sold comps for him. They're like 15 to 20. But you know, he's like, yeah, these things are going for like 50 to 60, and I looked it up. Yeah, that's what people are posting it for, but it's only selling between 15 and 20. So we got it for 15. It looks like a cool game, you know. So
if it's not, I'm going to comment on the Game Chasers.
Yeah.
And be like, Billy, this game is not any good.
No. It looks cool. Only if our Xbox worked, right?
Only if our Xbox worked.
But we're still hunting.
Or Wii U games.
Wii U. I shouldn't have bought these and just saved the money for the Wii U games, but we're gonna find something. Oh yes. I can't go home until I find a Wii U game. I hope I didn't stick to that. Oh well.
It's gonna rain.
ABC Pawn. ABC Pawn. They did okay. They had Wii U games.
We didn't get any.
Serena said, no, I really want. They had 3. 2 Infinities and 1 Skylanders. I want the Skylanders. But, I was almost going to get it just to say we got a Wii U game. But, yeah, we both know how that's going to go. But, we found this game. Forza Motorsports 3. It's pretty cool.
I think it's the collector's edition.
Yeah, I just dropped everything. Cool little box. And I think
it's missing pieces.
Yeah, it's missing some, but it's freaking cool.
But we can get on.
Yeah, I think there may have been like a flash drive possibly. But yeah,
we can get on somewhere and look for them.
It's pretty cool looking. Pretty cool. $5. Sonic Spinball for $3. Can't beat a Genesis game for $3 anymore, so we got that.
I really like Sonic.
Yeah. And Wii U, still hunting.
I tried to make a negotiation for Dreamcast.
They had a second Dreamcast for $130. And the best he would do was $110. If he would have been like 75-ish, that would have been hold on, we gotta talk this over. But we got some rain. I got rained out at work today. We got some rain in front of us. But we're gonna find that Wii U game today. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You're fucked off and laying your head and you're dead. Yeah, dead. So it just matters how you want to take your shot. Yeah. Well, you guys have a good one.
Just leaving Pat's Pawn Shop. And it's still raining.
Which way do I need to go?
That way.
Got it.
Found us another pawn shop.
Hey, look, it's cat.
With a cat. I don't know what's going on over there.
I gotta play.
Gulf Coast Trading Post had no Wii games. Actually, no Wii U games. But we did get a couple Wii games. But the Pat's Place, what did we get?
I got Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban on GameCube.
GameCube game.
And Tarzan on the GameCube.
I think we got both of those games for like $8. It's not bad, you know? We're here at this little place and 2 games. Wii Knight's Journey into the Dreams. That was a pretty cool little game. We had it on the, was it the Saturn?
We had the original Knights on the Saturn.
That's a cool game. And this one just looked interesting. Mythmakers, Trixie, and Toyland. I don't know, may not be much, but he had $12 for both of these games, so whatever, you know, it's all right. But the more and more we go looking for Wii U games, it's looking like we're probably gonna have to hit up a GameStop
or a Game Quest
for Wii U games. So let's continue down the road. Where at?
right here.
Look at this.
Ooh.
No? Damn. Oh. Oh, there's things in there. Just Dance. Again.
The Prince of Persia that we're looking for was on Xbox.
Found us another thrift store. Let's check it out.
Oh, the frame is half on. I'm so sorry. I thought you said
Empty.
GameStop.
Which is funny because we usually never go to GameStop.
This is probably the first time I've been to GameStop. Well, let's just say this. My, what's it called? My GameStop subscription thing. I don't even know what it's called. It expired. And I just had to renew it. That's how long it's been since I...
No, that's not true. For Tegan's birthday, we went in there looking for a PlayStation or Xbox shirt for her.
Did you buy anything?
No.
Okay.
Because they didn't have one
This
for
was the
her.
last time. When's the last time we bought something from GameStop?
I bought Tegan's Pokeball DS.
Which was...
She was 12.
Okay, so that's like 4 years ago.
5, she's 18.
So, anyway, let's just say it's been a while since we got anything from GameStop. So, I found, and the other thing too, everyone else keeps talking about in their videos about GameStop and all these crazy trade-ins, and not us.
Not ours.
Not ours. And he said, I only want PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Switch. That's it. Some Wii U games, no consoles. You're just like, okay. But we found Captain Toad's Treasure Tracker for $10.
Is it complete?
Of course it is. Kablamo. Completo. And
This is a good paper.
Serena had to make the big decision. They had actually a Wii U Zelda Wind Maker, I can't remember, for $40. But then when he opens the drawer, they didn't have none of the games out. They had them all in the drawer, and he gave me a list of what they had, you know. So she sees the, we get the Paper Mario.
You just said it.
We get the Zelda out, and I said, hey, look, there's a Paper Mario right there. And so he brings it out. Then she had to make the decision of which one to get. So she got the Paper Mario. I think that was a good call.
That's a good one.
Super Paper Mario.
That one's a good one, but the 10,000 year door is the best.
Oh, there it is. That was what I got all like, no game. Oh, there it is. So,
the 10,000 year door is the best Paper Mario, but that one is a good one too.
Yeah. So, our Wii U hunt, we did pretty good. We got 2 games. We're actually one more stop. Our local retro game store. Our favorite. Well, yeah. There's 2 locals. One favorite. That's where we're gonna go now.
And the other one, not so.
I've been looking for the. What's the other one I just told you about? Yoshi's Woolly World, I think it's called, something like that. That one looks pretty cool.
I know for a fact he has Hyrule Warriors up here for $15.
Hyrule Warriors?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go check it out. Game Quest.
$156.50. I need to know exactly what's going on with this. No, it saved with me in 2000. As I said, the game was prior to 2000. I'll start it up. Resident Evil 4 Rock Attack. So it took the leads and cut the wires and swamped it. It's so pretty cool.
Game Quest. I like that little store. It's fun. Actually, am I saying it wrong? Is it Wind Maker or Wind Waker?
Wind Waker.
Wake? Like wake me up in the morning? Wake me up before I go. They had a copy of the Wind Waker for $30. So that probably means we won't be going back to GameStop for that one.
They also have Super Galaxy 2 for $24.
Is it on the Wii U?
No.
Oh.
And they had Sky Sword for $34.
Where was that one? $6.
I like the Mario games.
The Mario games are fun. And he had a buttload of freaking 64 games.
Because he
Somebody,
knows that we have a 64. I think we even bought it from him.
yeah, we did, well,
So-
one of them, yeah.
And he knows it, and sometimes he even puts stuff away just for us.
Yeah, like, hey, this came in. Do you want to see it?
When we got our Mario Kart, our Donkey Kong, and something else, that day I walked out of there and spent a lot of money.
They had a Majora's Mask, gold,
English,
Ocarina of Time,
gold,
gold.
and gray.
Well, she wanted to get the Hey You Pikachu from our daughter, but they didn't have the mics. So, you know, plus they had what the Pokemon game was. Stadium. So, oh yeah, what I was talking about earlier, Marble Madness. They had a copy of it,
Explain to them why you were
$7. Me and my buddy growing up, we played the heck out of this game. Man, I freaking love this game. So I got it for the DS and the NES.
They have the game that I grew up playing.
Contra, no, Castlevania,
Yes.
for like $35.
Yes. And the label's even scratched up on it.
We
He
can
still
go.
wants
We could go
$35.
take this back. You can go get it if you want. No, okay. Last chance. Okay. So thanks.
Actually, I can just go in there right now and buy it on store credit.
Oh, really? There's only $20 in it.
Actually, there's 30.
Oh. We got a box of stuff we gotta take down there. Our trade-in box is almost overflowing.
I keep adding stuff to it.
Yeah. So thanks for riding along down the bumpy roads as we run through rainstorms and tornadoes and hurricanes. There was a snowstorm that popped up out of nowhere. Man, that was brutal. And just to get the Wii U games, so it was fun hanging out with everybody, checking out new pawn shops. Some places we know we're gonna go back to again. And yeah, what do you think? Was that cool going that way?
Yeah, I think we need to go that way a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll do that again. So thanks for watching, and you gotta go hunt for these games, especially these Wii U games. Getting crazy.
Well, what'd he say about the Wario? Oh no, he said he had a Paper Mario 10,000-year-old door,
If
which
you're
is
interested, people.
the best Paper Mario there is, in my opinion.
Sealed. $700.
Yeah.
We didn't walk out of the store with that one, so hey, that's the way it goes. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go play some games. So thanks for watching. Continue hunting. Continue subscribing.
Yeah, because we're up to almost 50 subscribers.
No,
No?
40.
I thought we were over 40.
We were. Now we're back down to 40.
Aw.
Oh. So yeah. But thanks for the new subscribers jumping on.
Thank you.
We'll talk to you guys next time. We're gonna go hunting for. What are we gonna go hunting for next time?
GameCube games.
GameCube games. Oh,
I got two of those today, too.
All right. See you guys later.